What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Ethereum. Currently, we're sitting at 1740, down 2% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 211 billion, 24-hour volume 16.75 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So we're gonna start off with the wave count that I think is most likely that we're coming down in a wave 5, and we put in a wave 1, and now we're putting in a wave 2 pullback. We've reached our target zone in between 1712 and about 1899 is the ideal target for a wave 2 pullback, and then begin to come down in a wave 3. Now we can take a measurement here with our trend-based wave extension from the top of the wave 1 to the bottom to the top of the wave 2, and you would target the 1.618 for a wave 3, which is coming in at $816. Put in a wave 4 and a final wave 5 to bring you down in between 500 and 650, which I think is likely. The merge is coming up. Everyone's really excited, think the price is going to go to the moon. And I've seen it many times before where the news comes out, the day comes, currently in 2 days, 11 hours. Either price doesn't move at all, or a buy the rumor, sell the news, and we see a drop. Everyone thinks that it's going to pump to the moon. I don't think it's likely. Of course, anything is possible. I could be completely wrong. But I've seen it many times before where people get really excited, especially in a bear market, really excited about bullish news. They start buying, and the whales take advantage and the price comes back down. Or it doesn't even affect the price at all. It's coming up in 2 days. We have bearish divergences for Bitcoin and Ethereum on the 1 hour time frame. Does look like we're going to see some pullback. Of course, anything could happen, but more likely we see some pullback in the short term. So it looks like we put in some sort of ABC correction for Ethereum, and now we can start to come down in a wave 3. If we were to come down and we begin to bounce here, and we come up and we break this high at 2028, then we could flip more bullish. But until then, this is the wave count that I think is most likely. There are some bullish wave counts here that we've already completed a wave 1 to the upside. We've come down in a wave 2, and we're starting to come up in a larger wave 3, and we have a leading diagonal into a wave 1, which is here in yellow, where we've come up into a wave 1. This was a wave 2 pullback right here, a regular ABC correction, and now we're starting to push up in a wave 3. Looks like a wave 3 could be complete here. See a wave 4 pullback, push up in a wave 5 to complete a wave 1 of the wave 3. All right, guys, that's the bullish scenario. And the second bullish scenario is that this is an exaggerated ABC correction, and we're still looking to come down in a wave 2, where we come up in a wave 1 to the upside, ABC down into a 2, and of course in a wave C there's a 5-wave move. So we've come down in a wave 1. Right now we're seeing a wave 2 pullback, and coming down in a 3, 4, 5 to complete the wave 2. This is also a scenario that I don't think is likely, but out of the 2 bullish scenarios, if one of them is going to play out, I think this would be the one. Bitcoin would have to come down to about 16, 17K probably to put in that wave 2, where Ethereum doesn't break that low and Ethereum starts to push up in a wave 3. I don't think it's likely. As I mentioned, if I show you guys the previous bear market, just going to quickly drop out my indicators here. Previous bear market, we have a huge bear market rally up to almost the golden ratio. If I take these Fibonacci's out here, hold on, just take these fibs out. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations, and hope the pets are healthy. As you can see here, we pushed up to the 0.5 and we've seen a rejection. We pushed a little bit higher than the 0.5, and then we saw a massive wave to the downside. So I do think what we're looking at here is a wave 4 pullback, and still seeing one more wave down to take you down in between about 5 to 600, but I could be completely wrong, and we put in a wave 2 pullback and we explode to the upside. But everyone thinks we're going to pump from this merge here. It's in 2 days, and we're seeing bearish signals on the chart, so just be really cautious. All right, guys, that's just my 2 cents. The most likely scenario, in my opinion, is we're right now going through the wave 5 to the downside, which consists of 5 subwaves. So we've come down a wave 1, seeing a wave 2 pullback, looking to come down in a wave 3. Now, if we do come up and break this high, then we can focus on this bullish scenario where we've already completed. Let me drop out my indicators. We've already completed our wave 1 to the upside. This is a wave 2 pullback, and now we're pushing up in a wave 3. I don't think it's a likely scenario, but anything is possible. We were looking at a head and shoulders, which got invalidated when we broke this right shoulder. I tried to trade that pattern. I don't usually trade patterns. I got stopped out. Live and learn. So we have a head and shoulders here, but it invalidated that right shoulder. But a lot of analysts will say, well, look, guys, we could still be putting in a right shoulder. This is why I do not trust patterns. I trade horizontal support and resistance and Elliott wave. All right, guys, so that's basically it for this one. If we do come down and lose this wave 1 low at 14.35, more confirmation we're coming down in a wave 3 to the downside. That's what I think is more likely. But if we do break this high at 2072, then we can focus on the bullish scenario. That's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, my favorite exchange for trading. 4,000 deposit blast off bonus for 13 more days. $30 welcome bonus for 30 more days. And until the end of December this year, you have 0 fees on spot trading, which is absolutely incredible. You can check out my full length tutorial. Big shout out to the Discord, over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, as well as my chart analysis, my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my leverage trades, for my spot trades. You can see what the members are doing with their trades, my HODL alt positions, and over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Sign up through the Patreon link. Check out Bybit, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, much love. Take care.